Hello guys, today I am sharing the steps of set up HP Officejet 6950 wireless on Windows. Give a careful read to procedural steps to connect the HP Officejet Pro 6950 wireless setup with Windows. Begin by turning on your printer and connecting it to the Wi-Fi router as mentioned in the first section above. Visit the https://123.hp.com/and/devices/oj6950 website to download the printer driver. Open the downloaded driver file and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup installation process. Now, open the control panel from the Windows search option and then choose Devices and Printers option. Thereafter, click on the Add Printer option present on the top right corner of the new window. Click on the Next button on the new window that appears. Congratulations, as now your HP Officejet Pro 6950 printer is connected to Windows through 123 horsepower COM OJ6950.